Hola amigos and welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, and today we're going to answer a question that many are wondering. Why am I losing inches and not my weight? So you're making smart food choices, you're controlling your portions, you are exercising, but the weight is just not moving. However, your clothing is fitting better and your waistline is shrinking. So what the heck is going on? At the core, it is waist loss versus weight loss. This typically happens when you're losing fat and gaining muscle, but only this can happen when you're not at a deficit in calories, meaning you're eating less than when you're burning. It is very confusing, but let's get into it. Losing weight is catabolic, and gaining muscle or gaining weight is anabolic. Now, these two systems cannot happen at the same time, and I repeat, cannot happen at the same time if you are truly eating on a deficit in calories. And again, eating on a deficit means eating less than what you're burning. Then why are you gaining muscle and losing fat? Well, that is because you are eating exactly what your body needs. You are at equilibrium. You're eating exactly the amount of calories that you're burning. Calories in equals calories out. You're at equilibrium. The gaining muscle comes from the calories from the surplus of energy from the fat loss. So while you're becoming leaner and toned, the clothing is fitting better because you're losing inches. An important fact is that this happens to people that need to lose 10 to 15 pounds. However, if you need to lose 20 or more pounds with an effective plan and a caloric deficit, you should be dropping weight and inches. Now, going back to losing inches but not weight. One benefit is that most likely you are losing visceral fat. Now, visceral fat is the worst fat in your body. Visceral fat surrounds your organs. It's toxic. It's dangerous. Visceral fat fuels inflammation, and with time, it can lead to many health issues. So yes, you want to lose visceral fat. That's a benefit about losing inches in your waist. Now, I have a video just on that. Watch that video. You will learn a lot, and you're going to be able to prevent chronic diseases by losing visceral fat. Now, if you need guidance, a personalized eating plan and care, I am here to help. I have a virtual practice that offers different programs. Also, I offer a free 20-minute discovery call. Schedule a free 20-minute discovery call with me so that I can explain how I can help you. Visit manuelvillacorta.com and schedule your free 20-minute discovery call now. Now, going back to the topic, have you ever heard of a skinny fat? That's when somebody looks thin. However, it has a high body fat percentage, which puts them at risk for health complications. For those that need to lose more than 20 pounds, losing inches is a lot slower than losing weight, that you can see that every week. With my years of experience, I have found that losing 10 pounds of fat, this is 5 pounds each, losing 10 pounds of fat can take off 2 inches off your waist. At the end, the most important thing is to change your body composition and lose inches in your waist. Focus on how you feel. The scale doesn't tell the whole story. See how your clothing fits. That will tell you you're making progress. If you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next videos. Thank you for watching. Stay focused and determined. And most important, stop dieting, start living.